Hey, what's up, guys? Blake and Reese here, just chilling. It's kind of raining, so we got Reese playing Xbox, and I got some new parts, so I decided just to make a little bit of an update, bike check type thing. Also got a new fisheye lens, thanks to Cole for 20 bucks. It's pretty sick. So yeah, so we're gonna start off. I got some new parts. My seat, I traded my Animal for this Kink bike seat in black with the Animal seat post. My grips are tearing. They're Odyssey still. Probably gonna get some new ones maybe later this week or something. Odyssey bar ends, Odyssey lumberjack, handlebars, Shadow Attack stem, stock headset, Colony official V2s, forks. My tires are tan wall bit FAFs, 2.3 wide. My shadow stem, hole in the grip, Odyssey bar ends, new Kink seat. Also, thanks to Bradley Hauer, I got this front wheel. He got a new front wheel, so he's just letting me grab this because it's black. I'm trying to just get my bike into a better color scheme, so I think it is a double wall rim. Came stock on the Subrosa. Sealed hub. It's not bad, I mean, and it's pretty light for stock, so thanks to him. Check out his bike check and his channel, Mr. Killer Biker. Yeah, fit tan wall FAF in front. Bit TRL, one frame as usual. Took the stickers off of my forks. Got the windows. Get back there. For the pedals, still running the P-Scrap Odysseys that are mixed colors, one glow in the dark, pink. I got a new chain, old chain, but black, same sprocket, same cranks. I've got a new back wheel. It is a WHEELSET FAF Tan wall tire 2.3 with a Alienation double wall rim with some Primo spokes. Got them listed by Gresham. Primo Ford spokes in red, obviously, and some black nipples under there. So yeah, it's pretty good. You see some small spare parts except for the nipples and spokes and sealed cassette hub, 9-tooth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason why me and a couple buddies were down at Gresham biking around the park and everything, and then went to do 180 and it just blew out on me. So this is kind of just for the time being until I get some more money. So yeah, subscribe, all that. Yeah, thanks for watching. One last look.
You should go and get your own.